have been placed in Samsung yesterday only with a package of 14.5 lakhs. I am from Tripoli. CS sir. So I want to really thank these spiders very much.
Not like just your experience.
So when I came here, I was actually good at coding, but I don't know any concept of Java or anything. So I was completely fresher to the Java technology completely. So when I came here, I was just singing hieroglyphs, different pens. My first class was with Professor. So he said, even if you are not from non-certificate scientists, you don't need to worry. All you want is skills. So what we need to implement into our skills is just presentations. Simply what you think like waste of time. That's what made me do this today. So there are like I was here for 3 months. So every time I think of going to give any interview, I just one thing comes into my mind. So I said like first 3 months don't go for any interview. Just for that case, I didn't attend like 2 months I didn't attend any interview, not even one single interview. After that, some feedback against GM, they just gave me opportunities for that, even if I am not eligible for that. Like, it was for CSIS IT only. Even then, just for like since I am giving the presentation as well as good mock ratings, they have given the chance. Simply, I want to say that if you have that good mock ratings as well as skills, you will get the chance. And even though I didn't crack that, after that I didn't apply for any other companies. I was just trying to improve my skills and advance it. Just 2 days before, I got to know that there is an interview on Samsung, and they have given me opportunity again. One day itself, I had 3 rounds back to back. And first round it was like three questions or coding test. It was all about arrays, string manipulation as well as permutation and combinations. So even like Einstein numbers also asked for somebody. So that was like not so difficult and not so easy. So after that I have solved all I have solved all 3, but I couldn't solve one of them. Like our test cases because of the timing of this thing. And after that, I forgot to know that I have an interview on 2 to 3 o'clock. It's nothing but a telephonic interview. In that, they have asked all the concepts of groups, multi-threading, and exception handling, as well as collections. So they have asked me very deep, and I have answered everything. I think that's one thing I have selected for that. After selecting for that round, I have got a telephone interview on 6:30 p.m. That was like more of a round. They have asked me about what I am good at and what is my project about, and he asked me how can you do your project better. Like I have said how I did my project, and he asked how can you improve your own project. I said my scenario, like my project was on electrical vehicle. We thought of implementing it on bicycles. So he was impressed on that. After that, he then asked like where you lagged in your project and what did you do in what was your role in your project. Completely like he was trying to study where you are good at and all those things. After that, he said that he is good. His company is all about SSDs. Now their project is all about SSDs, and he asked me basic questions on SSD. So I just said what is SSD and like how it differs from HDD, how better it is from HDD. After that, he asked me architecture. I didn't know architecture actually. I didn't study for that. I was not signed up for that. So he said you should have known all these things. So after that, at the end, I have asked him, sir, what you are expecting from a fresher? So he just said that we are doing project on this particular technology. So the fresher should have that experience. Like at least he should know that. So I said, sir, I'm from Tripoli. Like I know all these standards, all these in our curriculum also, so I can understand better. So what I want to say is, even there is chance that you are going to fail at the end of your interview also. But there is hope. If you are trying, if you are really good, you can say something. At that point, the HR may like your point and you may try to recruit you. So that's what about my interview. And thanks to my trainer, Sumya ma'am. She did a lot of effort on not only me, to all my FTP batch. And I would like to thank you, sir. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. So, have to always have the trainers. I hope you all do well in your interviews also. Thank you so much. I'm a student in J Spiders. Today I got placed in Samsung. Package was 14.5 LPA. I just want to say my journey in J Spiders. What happened? How I started. Are you good? So I have joined J Spiders 3 months ago in August. I think in August 2nd. Yeah. So when I joined J Spiders, I had no knowledge on Java actually. I had no knowledge of Java. I am from Tripoli. So when I was joined, since I had no knowledge on Java, I thought I will get some good job from J Spiders. That's why I came here. Because all of you came for that only. After joining that, like our journey started like something else. Here, complete environment is different. What I want to say. What do you want to say? Okay, what should you say? So, the journey was started like that. What is different here means in our debates, we know how lazy we are. Like we don't even listen to the lecturers, whatever they are saying. So even in that mindset only we came here, and even me. Okay. So things were different. How means it was completely systematic, and the presentations, whatever the things which you don't like, was actually helped me a lot. Actually, I had a lot of stage fright. I can speak in front of people. Stage fright. Yeah. So I had that, but that is completely solved because of the, because of presentation. So actually, so much like even my friends are not taking presentations very seriously. I just want to say presentations are very important. Why? Because you will get a lot of understanding. I don't want, like, I'm not saying that we have to do the presentation here only. You can just do it in your room. You can just do it in front of a mirror to yourself. But it will actually help a lot. Whatever the concept you have learned, it may be in your mind. But if you speak out, it will definitely, it will be better for yourself. And of course, who have stage fear like me, will be able to speak in front of people. That's what I got from J Spiders. That's the first thing actually. And second thing is Java. Like when, as I said, I don't know Java. What is Java when I come here? But every day it was like rigorous training.
7 o'clock to some days it was like half day, some days it was like full day. When I have joined XTB, 1 month it was for 1 month. Every day it was like morning 7 to evening 5. So it has 2 presentations, morning 2 hours, evening 1 hour. So that much presentation actually we did. Surprisingly, we didn't I didn't even thought like I can do that much presentation. It's all because of my batchmates. They were like cooperating. So that's how it was, and training was like, it is rigorous. Every day, like it was 2 months. Every day I was learning something new, which I don't know. What it made me realize that if you know something, you will get enthusiasm to learn more. Okay. So they said like something things is happening there. Okay. After that they will say like what are the methods in string. Okay. So you should not stop there. Strings has like where the strings are stored, like string rule, constant rule, heap area. Like after heap area people stop. There is again stack area is there. So going deep into subject is very good. Of course, it may not actually help you, but it will give you satisfaction for sure. So something like that. So we have whatever the batchmates we had, actually very good in competing each other. So every day some concept happens. So we go on competing with each other. How it happens means they said something in PPTs and they will explain something like that. After that we will go and first completely revise it after presentation. After we will go to Java tip point. Why did we do that actually? In order to make other people things knowing little less. Are you getting what I'm saying? Like I know more, you don't know. Like something like that. We are doing that. So we will go to Java tip point and see something exceptional, and we ask each other. So that thing happened a lot, and actually that thing helped me a lot. I think like JSPiders will give you almost 70%. That 30% you have. Definitely almost 70%. Like when I was here, like in 2 months, who are my friends, my best buddies, all were placed. I was not placed. So I was like completely depressed. People are saying you have to apply more companies, you have to try hard. Actually I didn't apply for companies for 2 months because Madhu sir said do not apply. Just increase your skills. Actually I actually did. I'm not joking, seriously. Yeah, I'm not joking. For 2 months I have not applied for not even one company. After that they have given a chance for 8 lakh package. Yeah, it is, company name was IG. So when I have given that HR TR round and HR round were completed, all rounds were completed, and I was pretty confident that I will get the job. Even my teacher who saw me giving the interview thought I will get the job. For 1 month I was just waiting. Even you are there. So for 1 month I was waiting. So there was no response from their side. So I have just mailed them what happened to my interview. They said you are not selected, like something like that. So that 1 month I have not applied for any company because I was thinking that this company I will select. But actually things were different. So people said that you should have tried so many companies. Until now you have got a lot of experience in some companies. You have tried that. So I started applying all the companies. Whatever the package it is, I started applying all these things. But I had it there. My trainer name is Sumya ma'am. She didn't like that. She always wants her students to be in good positions. So even if I applied for like small companies, she said don't go like that. Actually, but that was actually depressing for me because I am not placing anywhere. Like people were going away. My best friends are there. They went away because they are placed, because they are trying lot of companies. So what I want to say, if you are trying, you will get definitely. You will get placed. Yeah, you will get placed. Because people out there are competing with people here. Okay, out there may have people out there may do not have basic knowledge, but you have basic knowledge, may not be up to level, but you have. So there is a more possibility that you will get placed. Okay, That's why I spoke. That was the scenario. Like even 3 days before, I got offers from States as well as Temenos, two companies were there. So Temenos was of 5 lakhs package and States was of 4.5 lakhs package. So I was thinking of joining. I even sent documents for them. They were sending the offer letter, but my madam said wait, some company is going to come. So 2 days before, HRM called. 3 days before HRM called. Tomorrow morning we have Samsung interview. Actually, I have no knowledge of that. That some interview is going to happen. I didn't apply for that. So how they didn't apply means according to mock ratings, and my trainer actually recommended. Why I want to say this because if you are good at doing mocks as well as your response in the class may help you a lot. Actually, for me it actually helped. I didn't even apply for that company, but my trainer helped. Like my trainer applied me without my knowledge. So HR called. So you have interview tomorrow. Huh? Didn't actually. First round was that day. I have first round was coding test that has 3 questions. Questions were based on arrays as well as strings and also permutation and combination. So 3 questions are there. I have solved 2 questions with full all test cases passed and 1 question with partial test case passed. And what is different about this exam means they have write their own questions, not from some other source. They have written their own questions with their own scenarios. Since I have done a lot of coding in motions or class and all these things, I could solve that. Okay. But one question I couldn't solve because of time. In 1 hour we have to do 3 questions. Okay. Somehow I thought I would not pass that round because according to YouTube, Samsung should we should completely pass all test cases to the exam. But somehow I got that round. And second round was telephonic round. Telephonic round, I thought it will be like 15 minutes. Generally in telephonic round, how can you talk more than 15 minutes? It's like they will ask what is your name, something like that, family details, self-introduction, that stuff like that. But the telephonic round went for 40 minutes. They asked like all OOPS concepts, all multi-threading concepts, and all exception handling, as well as they asked collections part. So they asked the questions were like from smaller level to high level. Smaller level questions like how do you make an infinite loop? Okay. How do you make an infinite loop? And some questions like abstraction. In abstraction they asked so this is abstract class. Okay. We have to implement it in subclass. Can you change declarations? When you are doing method overriding, can you change declaration? No. Sure. We can change declaration. Actually. So, I'm talking about method overriding. Even abstract class. So, that kind of question they have asked. So, there is for example, let's say protected void text method is present in super class. So we have to implement it in subclass. So I can write 2 types of methods for that. First one is public void test, because public has more access than protected, right? So that is possible. And second thing is protected final void test. You can write final. You cannot override it, but while doing overriding you can use final. What I am saying is you cannot use final keyword in superclass, but you can use in subclass. But that subclass method cannot be overridden in another subclass. That's all. So you can change the declaration part, not the arguments on all the things, but the modifiers. Okay. So that kind of question. And they have asked what is the difference between callable and runnable. Okay. Not long multi-threading, right? Multi-threading is callable and runnable. So that kind of questions there, like simply 17 to 18 in 40 minutes. So that's how second round was happened, and like I was little confident for second round. After that third round, it was an unannounced so I was just going to some temple. Suddenly they called. Now you have like, are you free now? Like that. I think if I said I'm busy, different cause, some other cause. So I just postponed my temple program and just took the call. So I thought it will be again some technical round on advanced Java or something like that, but it was actually a HR round. So it is again a telephonic round, but this time WhatsApp call. I don't know why they do like that, but this time it's a WhatsApp call. And he asked me about myself, my project details, and what are the skills I have, something like that. So one HR question was, you have done your project. So how do you improve your project if a chance is given to you? Something like that. I have answered something that he agreed. Okay. After that he asked what is your role and like how crucial is your role. Okay. You have done your role, but how crucial is your role? Something like that. Yeah. And he asked what did you do like unique from others. You have done your project. What is unique from what is unique about your project from others? He asked something like that. That was something. After that, he asked, do you know anything about Samsung company? I said, like I was actually not prepared for HR as I was going to tell him. I just said that the Samsung makes good displays and it has its own processor, and I am big fan of Samsung and I use Samsung mobile. Actually, my mobile is OnePlus, but I said that. So I said, okay, like, do you know anything about SSDs? So he was actually thinking that I would say Samsung makes SSDs, but I didn't say. So yes sir, like SSD is like improved version of hard disk. Like HDD is there and HDD is there. HDD has the rotating disk. Like if you start, if you want to access any data from HDD, like you have to start that disk should rotate to a certain speed. After that only you can access the data. But HDD in SSD is differently. Like it has random, like fast access. Just if you give the electricity. So that's what SSD is fast, 10 times faster than HDD. That's the two things I know about SSD, nothing else. So he asked me about, he said that they are doing projects on SSD. Okay, so he wants, he said that he is doing projects on SSD. So he asked what is the architecture of SSD. So actually I was going to temple and I didn't even know it is HR round. I didn't even like see anything about Samsung company. Now he is asking me about SSD architecture. So I was amazed and said, sir, I don't know. Yeah, I just said I don't know. And from that point, like HR enthusiasm is going down and down completely. So after that, he asked about, do you know how computer boots up? Like booting process in computer. How do I know? Like first thing I am from Delhi, so I have never done this stuff. I tried to say that, sir, when you on the system, there will be some hardware, it will be starting, something like that I said, and sir, I am not confident in this. I said, okay. He said, okay, Narayan, nice meeting you, nice talking to you. Do you have any questions? He said. At that point, I am sure he is completely going to reject simply because he asked two questions which is actually important for him. So I asked him, sir, what do you expect from pressure? Actually, this is the one question that saved my interview, I guess. So he said, whatever the pressure we are trying to get, should know like little much about SSD things and architecture as well. And he said some basic components in that, like NAND dice, all those. And he said, like the pressure we want should have this knowledge. He's simply saying that you don't have this knowledge, that's why you are going to be rejected, something like that. Okay, so I said that, sir, I'm from Tripoli, so I have done the stuff like, I know NAND gates, flip-flops, all those things we have seen in our curriculum. Just that I was saying, nothing else. So I think for a Tripoli students, it will be better opportunity, sir, I said. So he agreed and said, okay, Narayan, HR will get back. Simply he's saying, just go away, you are not going to be selected, something like that. Like his way of rejection. Whenever interviewer says HR will get back to you, he simply he's trying to say that you are not fit for this. Like most of the cases, that's the case. Okay? Okay, I was like worried, and he asked me that like how was your technical interview? So that's how I got code. Like he don't know how my technical interview happened. Like it was parallel interviews. Okay, technical round and HR round was parallel interview, and they don't know the results of each other. So I think technical round saved me a lot because I answered all the questions. So what I want to say is, even if you don't know a lot of things, if you are good at something, okay, something may help. For me it helped, and that's how my interview ended. Today I got offer letter.